Let's make sure this thing is, oh, gotta put the battery in. So when we start with a bladder scanner, you're gonna take one of the batteries. You can only put it in one way, guys. So once it slides in, click, and then we hit the button. Hopefully they've been charging. This doesn't work. Hang on. Here it comes, here it comes. All right. Have a couple towels or washcloths. And it's coming up. Takes a little time, sorry guys. So I can prep her. So we're gonna take the washcloth and you're gonna move it down so that you have it underneath her panty line. And then you take some nice gel. It's not warm. I just put it on the patient. Sorry. Then you take your wand and you move it over. And as soon as you hit it, you're gonna see a person, and make sure you have the head up. And then, yeah, I don't think you have anything. You wanna make sure the patient's down, because if the patient's crunched, you're not gonna get a full bladder scan. And then you're gonna move it down. Are you okay?
Oh yeah.
And as you are moving it around, you're gonna see this green circle here. And you're gonna kind of try to line it up in the middle here. And Sarah has stuff in there, so that's good. And then you wanna try to make sure it is pretty even. And then you're gonna hit the green button. And then it's gonna tell you she has 129 in there. But if you feel like you can't get that green circle, sometimes you have to move it around. Kind of follow the patient's bladder. And you might have to go a little bit down towards the pubic bone. But again, if you want to rescan, hit the green button, the ultrasound is going to come back up. And then, sorry, sir.
Okay.
And this way, and if you're not sure if you have the same amount, you can always rescan again. This is the best I'm going to get it here. And I'm going to hit the button. And now time it says 141. So, but you can see how much is in there. If it was a lot bigger, it would be huge. You wouldn't have a problem. And then you take away, and then we wipe. And then you can use the purple wipes just to wipe down this. Any questions? Were you able to see the screen though? How I was showing you the green? Okay. And again, when you're all done with the machine, you want to make sure you take the battery out, which is on the side, little lever on the side, and you just pull it out. And then we put it in the charger.